All right, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to do a patch repair. So we'd normally use this technique if you've wrapped like a whole fire door and the door's been a bit dinged. So rather than replacing the whole door, if it's a very textured vinyl, we can splice a patch in there and then you'd never know. So I'm just going to show you how you do that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut the damage out to start with. So keeping the knife really nice and square, and just trying to keep the patch as small as we can with losing all the damage. And the idea is that we want to go point to point, and then just trying to keep the shape symmetrical as well, rather than having different shapes. So that's our damage chopped away. There's a hole gone there. Now what we're going to do is, now you're never really exactly going to match this up, but it's obviously you're just trying to get it the best you can. So I've obviously got this bit here. I'm looking at these 3 lines here, which are semi-lining up, so it should make it about right for me. And all we're going to do is just line them 3 lines up. So you can see the 3 lines here, all running straight. And then you just need to find your patch. So make your lines up that you've just cut out. It's very hard to actually see where you need to cut on this. Okay, so you've got the shape there. Now what we're going to do, cut them through both layers. We're just going to go 1 mil outside, 2 mil outside where we started the cut. So now what we can do is we can take off the top layer, leaving our patch on. Right, and then now what we do is we just take out the bits underneath, and then it should sit seamlessly into what we've taken off. So we take out that bit. Now if you haven't finished the cuts point to point, this is where this technique does go wrong. So, and then all we do now is we just give it a little smooth down. And then that is a patch repair.